Have you heard of our bundled online self-paced course? This course is provided through Texas A&M University, Kingsville, a reputable university, and will equip you with the necessary training and skills for 3 national certification exams for only $3,995. 1. Certified Clinical Medical Assistant, CCMA. 2. Certified EKG Technician, CET. 3. Certified Phlebotomy Technician, CPT. We include an externship so you can apply your online training in an actual healthcare setting, no matter where you live, and all books are included. We even pay for your national certification exam after the training. If you're a military spouse who's eligible for the MyCAA grant, you are completely covered this course. No payment fees. If you're not eligible for this grant, no worries. We have options for everyone.